I'm going to tell you exactly why your titles and thumbnails are super essential for YouTube growth. Let's go. Now, we all know that starting a YouTube channel is really exciting, and honestly, you just have to get going. Stop procrastinating because you can spend years doing that. Start making your videos now. Maybe they won't be great to start, but you will get better as you continue to make more videos. Each and every single time that you edit a new video, it's going to be better than the last one. And remember that you don't have to be great to start, but you do have to start to be great. Now, one of the key metrics that gets missed by a lot of small and new YouTubers is your title and your thumbnail to match it. Titles need to be compelling, searchable, and really well crafted. A great title is going to get you found in the search results, and that's going to let prospective people know what your video is all about. However, without a great thumbnail to match that video title and content, you're going to have a hard time and struggle getting people to watch your video. And this is going to result in very slow growth on your channel. Now, you could have an amazing thumbnail, but if your video quality isn't very good and you have low retention, people are going to click away quickly, and this is going to really hurt you in getting your content pushed out to new people. The reason this happens is because the retention is so low that YouTube gets the signal that people are not enjoying what you're making. Now, there are a ton of variables that go into channel growth on YouTube. Believe it or not, I've seen videos with 20% retention and a 10% click-through go viral. And then I see a video with 75% retention and a 13% click-through rate, and it does not go viral. So then we're all left pondering the question, why? Why is it that one video with great statistics doesn't do very well, and yet another with poor statistics seems to do really well? We need to remember that there are thousands of moving parts behind the scenes at YouTube, and sometimes things just don't make sense to us. But after studying and reviewing literally hundreds and hundreds of channels, I can say that the most important thing that you need to have on your channel to do well is watch time. There is nothing better than watch time on YouTube. So then we're left with the question, how do we get that watch time? Well, the answer is that your video needs to be super well crafted and put together. It needs to be fun, educational, dynamic, and entertaining. And you need to have great editing skills too. Your title and your thumbnail are what will hook that viewer in at the start. That is going to get you the click and the view. So they are ultra important to nail on every single video. But then if you get them in and your video isn't very good, you're going to really damage your channel and your potential to grow. People are not going to stick around for very long to see what you make in the future. Your thumbnails should tell a story about what your video is actually about. A mysterious looking thumbnail with an amazing title can make your video go viral. With these types of thumbnails, it's best not to use very many words in them. And if you can create a thumbnail that conveys something unconventional, you can create a lot of mystery. And there's nothing wrong with using clickbait as long as you actually deliver on what you promised in the thumbnail and the title. Your title should be something that's searchable in the YouTube search engine when people are looking things up. You should also use power words and numbers in your titles where you can. Things like watch now, don't make this mistake, do this, free, best, top, and numbers that can convey time or total tips. Combining numbers with a power word can really get people to click. For example, let's use a cooking video. Your super clickbaity title could be the world's best donair sauce in less than 3 minutes, and in brackets, award-winning sauce. Now this really conveys power words combined with numbers, and it lets people know that it only takes 3 minutes to make. It's fast and it's delicious, and it's also won awards. So it must be an incredibly good sauce and the video to match. If you make that video 3 minutes long and super fun with great editing, and you do a really amazing thumbnail that makes the sauce look mysterious, you could have a big video for your channel on your hands. People are going to want to click on it, and then because it's so well done, they're going to watch the video all the way through, and that is going to let you rack up your watch time. That, in the end, could make your video go viral. Now, I'd love to know your thoughts on this topic, so be sure to drop a comment below and leave your feedback. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.